Hey everyone, Michael here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And it's been a while since I actually posted on my YouTube channel. So I want to give you a quick update on what I've been doing and also show you some of the trades I've been doing on my prop firm accounts. A lot of people know I went from e-commerce to trading for a while now, around 4 years. And I went from Forex to futures. And now I've been really focusing on prop firms for the last couple of months. One firm specifically, like Tradeify, you can see here on my screen. I've been using them for a while and they've been consistently paying out and they pay out pretty fast. And we'll do a withdrawal together on this video as well, just to show you some of the payouts I've been getting. Like throughout the lifetime of Tradeify, I've been getting like $93,000, I think within like 4 or 5 months. And then they moved me into their live account, which I continue getting some nice payouts on a daily. Of course, there's other screenshots. I didn't put them all together, and I also do other firms as well. So way over 6 figures in the last couple of months. So just to show you, Tradeify is one of my preferred prop firms just because they pay out fast. They don't have a lot of BS rules, and they just let you trade how you want to trade. So I really like them. And what I did was initially I got 3 accounts straight to fund it over here, and they usually have deals that you can get like 30% off, 40% off. You can use my code GST upon checkout to apply those discounts. But yeah, I normally go with straight to funded because you don't have to pass evals, basically stage 1 or stage 2 on other prop firms, and they give you 90-10 split once you get a payout. So I went through their straight to funded to live and took out some payout on when I was in live, but then I also blew those accounts. So I'm back into straight to funded 10 days ago. As you can see, if I pull out Tradeify and go into the journal, you can see I was taking trades the last 10 days. And then the last day, because my profit target was 9,000, I just had to flip a day and now I meet my requirement. So this is Tradeify. They give you a nice journal here that you can actually look at and then document your trades, which is really nice. It's all built in for free and it's just right here when you click on view journal. Now you can see now I have 5 accounts ready for payout. So what we can do here is, well, first of all, you can see the view details. View details shows you how you can get a payout. So around $9,000 profit target, and then consistency under 20%, 10 trading days, you can be eligible for a payout. Now, once you are ready for a payout, all you have to do is go into here and then under payout request, we can go ahead and process our payout. So we have 5 accounts here, and here are all the other payouts I gotten before. So let's say if I want to choose this one and then I want to withdraw 3,000, so I can do that here. Let me just copy that and then I can go ahead and request payout. All right, so that's one account. I have to do that for all 5 accounts. So request payouts. Let's go ahead and continue. 3,000 request. Again. All right, last one. Let's go ahead and request here. So 3,000 again. And then now you can see it's processing. Now, their payout's pretty fast. Maybe within 3 to 4 hours, it should be in my wallet. But let's see when I'll actually receive them. So it's pending now. And maybe I'll come back and show you the email I received after. So right now it's around 9:37 a.m. here in Taiwan. And then I will come back and see when I actually get paid. So I'll be right back. All right, so we are back and I just got home. It's around 11 p.m. right now. And I just received notice that I received the payout from Tradeify. So 13.5, that is with the 90-10 split. Now, if we go to their Discord, I actually got one of these certificate as well. All right. So if we go back to Tradeify now and refresh, it should be indicating it's paid. So that is the withdrawal process for Tradeify. Now, if you're interested, there is a link below in my description, and if you use the code GST, you can also apply the promo code as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video and take a look into Tradeify. They're one of my top law firms at the moment, and let me know what you think. And if you want to see other videos, want to see other prop firms, I can definitely record some videos on those as well. All right, see you on the next one.